Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste it. Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I promise that I will stand by you forever. And I won't waste this.
Smile when you laugh. Your younger brother's favorite food. The way you watch the evening news. The freckles on your skin. The way you start your stories from the end. Oh, what am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this lovesick information? Now that it's over, now that it's through, tell me what am I supposed to do? Supposed to do. The sheepish way you love someplace I can trade in all this love-sick information. Now that it's over, now that we're through, tell me what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived,